Hello guys, welcome back to Candle of the Week with Michael. On today's candle, guys, we're gonna be making a candle on this beautiful vessel from Western Candle Supply. This is a 16-ounce metal vessel, okay? And it's beautiful, guys. Look at how well made it is, guys. So on today's candle, guys, it's gonna be kind of like a sad story, guys. Today I'm making a memorial candle in honor of one of our neighborhood cats. His name was Max. He passed away last Saturday, we think, and on very sad circumstances. I don't want to get into it, guys, but sadly he's gone, and he brought us so much joy to the neighborhood. He was like a street cat, and he used to come over here for breakfast and dinner. We used to feed him, and yes, and it's so sad because that's today I want to pay tribute to his life and celebrate his the joy that he brought to our lives, and yeah, I'm gonna put some pictures throughout the video so you get to know him, beautiful blonde cat, and with long hair, and he was so affectionate, and I remember we have a house we have a small cat house that he spent there during the winter, and anyway, so he was always in all our backyards, he used to tease our dogs, when every morning for breakfast, from the window. Yes, so he brought so many good memories, and I just want to celebrate just making a candle just for him. Okay, guys, so this is gonna be called the Max candle, or Max Memorial candle. It's just that I wanted to do this just to remember him, and for this special candle, guys, I decided to make a special blend for him, and it's gonna be equal parts of this beautiful fragrance oil from St. Memories fragrance, guys. The first one is called Havana Type, which has been renamed to Tobacco, Flower, and Bergamot. Okay, and the other one, the other fragrance oil, Cedarwood and Aged Rum. Okay, I'm gonna put all the links down below on the description box, guys. It's gonna be equal parts. Why I decided to make this blend is because this blend, guys, I believe I made a candle out of this before. It's just that it brings me so much joy, it's very nostalgic, and it's just something that when I smell it, it reminds me of him. So that's why I want to make this, his candle, okay? And for this project, guys, I'm gonna show you all the stuff that we're gonna be needing, okay? So I'm gonna take the cell phone, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be needing for this project, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so let me give you a list of the stuff that we're gonna be needing for this project. For the vessel, guys, I'm gonna be using a triple CDM number 2, guys. Which I already have the glue stickers right at the end of them. We're gonna be needing 1.6 ounces of the fragrance oil. It's a combination of the two of them equal parts, and we're gonna be needing 14.4 ounces of number 7 wax. Okay, which I'm gonna be heating up in the microwave. Then we're gonna need a spatula, a thermometer, and a safety glove for the oven, guys. So we're gonna start processing all these, and I'll be right back. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna take the wax. I'm gonna take the wax and I'm gonna put it in the microwave. Again, these are 14.4 ounces of number 7 wax. I'm gonna warm it up. I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 6 minutes on high. In the meantime, I'm gonna triple wick the candle. Okay, so let me just take some alcohol and clean the vessel. Microfiber cloth. This is gonna be a very quick candle of the week, guys. I just wanted to make this for him. It's so sad when things like this happen, especially when the cat wasn't sick, it was very tragic, very surprising, and it's just like, it makes us aware about, how important it is to be grateful every single day. This triple wick contraption that I got from Northern Candle Supply, okay, so I'm gonna put this is actually too big for this container, but I'm gonna make it work. I wanna make this accurately, guys. When you triple wick a vessel, it's so important that you space them like an inch and a half apart, to have an even melt pool and to make the candle safe. Okay. Now, as you can see, this is way too big for this. It's way too big for this, so I'm just gonna do it by eye. Okay. I'm gonna be playing with the spacing, guys. I'm gonna try to see it's the most accurate spacing. Okay, and I'm gonna let it. Okay. So I think this is gonna be okay. Okay, I love this contraption, guys. Okay, I think this is pretty good, and I think I have a wick holder. Anyway, I'm gonna do this off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I got it centered perfectly. Look at this, yes. Also, another alternative you have, guys, you can use this. This is from 1617, guys. So this is a triple wick holder that you can also use to center this. Again, this is too small. This is too small for the vessel, so you can use You know, you can do it by eye, but I decided to use the other way, okay? Guys, when we moved to Portland back in 2014, you know, from New York City, from Brooklyn, New York, they were like, it was kind of shocking for me to see a lot of, so many cats, you know, outdoors, you know, because in New York, you don't get to see that as much, you know, as you do in here, especially when you see them laying down in the middle of the street, you know, when the cars were passing, you know, and I freaked out, you know, so then you come to realize that's, you know, that's their nature in here, you know. So and you know guys, we're gonna miss him terribly, you know. When we first came here, when we first moved here, we used to have okay, so we have Bella, we have Jorgito, then we had Carlitos, Max. We named him Carlitos. It was Max. I think that was it. Okay, let's see how the wax is doing. Remember, we have to be very careful, guys. The wax is very hot. Okay, it's 221, perfect. I'm gonna add the fragrance oil and I'm gonna let it hang out for about 10-15 seconds, you know, and then I'm going to start stirring it. But 218, but now that I'm gonna put the spatula on, and remember, number 7 wax, you only have to stir for 20 seconds. 195, you see how low it went? So I'm gonna wait until this goes down to between 180 and 185, guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, it's time to pour. Okay, come on, Max. We're gonna miss you. Thank you for all your beautiful moments that you gave us. And I hope you're having a good time in there with Bella and Jorgito. Okay guys, so here is a beautiful Max Memorial candle. I'm gonna let it solidify and I'll come back with our final thoughts, okay? Yes! Okay guys, welcome back. Let me present to you the Max Memorial candle. Yes, here it is. Look at how beautiful it looks, guys. This vessel is epic, guys. I'm gonna put all the links below. These are the triple CDN number 2 from 1617. I'm using also number 7 wax, and I'm using a fragrance blend of 2 fragrances from St. Memory Fragrance. Let me show them to you guys. It's called Tobacco Flower and Bergamot, and this one is called Cedarwood and Aged Rum. Okay, guys, equal parts 50-50. This makes an amazing scent, guys. Again, this is in memory of our neighborhood cat Max, guys. I'm gonna put pictures all over the place so you can see him. I'm gonna miss him terribly, guys. I just wanted to do this in his honor. You know, I think using this kind of vessel, I think it's appropriate, guys. I just wanna thank you guys for sharing this moment with me. You know, I just wanna say, you know what? We are here to share the good and the bad, you know, it's because that's how we grow as human beings. You know what, guys? We're all humans. We all have to go through this, you know. We all know that loss is very hard for all of us. But you know what? By me sharing it with you, it makes it real. Okay, guys? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Give a like to the video, you know, and don't forget to visit my website, candleromance.shop, so you can check out my candles. Okay, guys? Until the next one, be well, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Okay? Yeah!